America, Aquaman, Hulk, Harley Quinn, and other superheroes turned into Easter eggs. How did this happen? Simple, really! Learn how to make Marvel and DC Easter eggs in our new video. Jessica and Stevie are watching superhero videos, and here comes our super friend, Ben. He runs around the room at super speed and waits for something. Maybe for his superpowers to kick in? Why is he so flustered? The doorbell rings. Ben finally gets his package. Attach Marvel and DC logos to empty egg cartons. Place egg heroes from corresponding universes into each tray. Ben is so happy! His package is finally here! So what's inside this giant box? Ben takes out a set of Easter eggs. These are more than just eggs. These are superheroes from 2 universes. Just take a look at this tiny Hulk. He's a tough egg to crack. Draw Hulk on a wooden egg. Color it with acrylic paint. Need green air-dry clay. Shape the Hulk's muscular hands. Let them harden and coat them with acrylic paint. Hot glue them to the body. Ben is playing with his favorite Hulk, but his friends aren't excited about these childish games. They keep on staring at their phones, and the Green Hulk already made an impact on Ben. He wants to smash everything. Ben finally has superpowers. This couch is in the wrong place. Oh my goodness! Ben lifts his friends with one hand. Holy Marvel! What's wrong with him? Ben Hulk easily takes care of Stevie. At this rate, he'll ruin the entire house. Jessica is terrified and she takes away his toy. Hulk the Destroyer is neutralized. Ben made such a big mess. He should stay away from Stevie. Let's look at what else is in Ben's box. Oh, what a cute red egg. It's the Flash. He's Jessica's favorite character. Prick a raw egg with an awl. Mix the egg white with the yolk inside using a needle. And remove the contents with a syringe. Dry the empty egg. Cover the hole with paper tape. Draw the Flash's mask and the logo on the eggshell with a pencil. Color it with acrylic paint. Cut 2 lightning bolts out of yellow cardboard. Attach them as ears. Define the logo with black acrylic paint. The moment Jessica takes the Flash egg into her hands, the world stops. So this is the effect it has. Jessica gets super speed along with the Flash egg. Wow! The boys can't believe her. Can you do the trick again? Sure! Speedy Jessica immediately brings cookies for the guys. Wow! This Flash egg is very useful. It's completely mind-blowing. It's Stevie's turn to choose a superhero now. Oh please, anything but that! Do you actually want to be a destroyer just like Ben? Take this one. It's a harmless Harley Quinn egg. Empty and dry a raw egg. Cover the hole with paper tape. Draw Harley Quinn's face and outfit on the eggshell with a pencil. Color it with acrylic paints. Color 2 silk tassels with pink and blue markers. Hot glue the tassels as pigtails. Attach a piece of a wooden stick with a label to the side to be a baseball bat. Let's have some fun! Stevie doesn't understand what's so funny about his look. He's more than just Harley Quinn. He's Harley King. Jessica loves it! Harley King will get a ton of likes on Instagram. At last, poor Stevie sees his new face. Oh gosh! Take off this Snapchat filter right now! Ben is about to make a difficult superhero choice. He takes out an Aquaman egg. Let's add some water power. Coat half of a styrofoam egg with beige acrylic paint. Wrap it in felting wool. Shape a hairdo with a felting needle by tacking wool to the egg. Cover the remaining part of the egg with golden thumbtacks. Make it look like scales on Aquaman's outfit. Make a sketch of Aquaman's face. Color it with acrylic paints. Hot glue toothpicks into a trident. Paint it silver and attach it to the egg. Ben completely gets into the character of a sea god. He can easily cause a tsunami, a flood, or a crab stick invasion. The world should see my true power. Stevie returns the sea god back to the shore. How dare you! Ben is mad at his friend. Stevie can easily ruin Neptune's day just like that. But the friends quickly make up. At the end of the day, Ben was the best Aquaman in this room. Jessica takes out her superhero egg. It's Black Widow. Coat a styrofoam egg with beige acrylic paint. Paint a Black Widow outfit. Add a silver zipper. Define the buckle with red. Paint a face. Make red hair out of felting wool. Use a felting needle to attach it to the egg. Shape a hairdo. The boys tell Jessica what Black Widow can do. She's a great fighter and she can… Oops! It looks like Jessica already got her superpowers. But she didn't even suspect that she can pull off this move. Stevie also gets caught in the crossfire. Hey, Jessica, easy! Jessica quickly gets rid of it before her friends get hurt. Phew, that was a lot to handle. Only 3 magical super eggs are left. The friends take the remaining heroes. Jessica gets Deadpool. Prick a little hole in an egg with nail scissors. Make it bigger with an awl. Remove the contents using a syringe. Thoroughly dry the eggshell. Put glittering stars inside. Cover the hole with paper tape. Draw Deadpool's mask and the outfit with a pencil. Color it with acrylic paints. Use Deadpool's colors: red, black, silver, and white. And Ben gets an awesome Batman egg. Make a sketch on a wooden egg with a ruler and a pencil. Divide it in half. Draw Batman's mask on top. The logo and the belt at the bottom. Color it with acrylic paint. Use black, silver, gold, and white. Cut Batman's cape out of black felt and small triangular ears. Hot glue the cap and the ears to the egg. A superhero battle starts. Batman meets Deadpool. Whose egg is stronger? Batman attacks, but Deadpool doesn't give in. A sudden strike, and Jessica's Deadpool suffers a defeat. All that's left is a broken eggshell. Well, it looks like Deadpool Part 3 isn't coming anytime soon. Jessica mourns her super egg. Stevie hears a cry for help. Captain America is ready to help a noble lady in trouble. Sketch on a wooden egg. Draw Captain America's mask and the logo. Color it with acrylic paint. Draw a circle on cardboard using a compass. Draw a smaller circle in it and a star in the center. Color the Captain America's shield. Cut it out and make a cut towards the center. Glue it together so that it overlaps. Attach the shield to the egg. Jessica should wipe off her tears. The Captain America egg rushes to the rescue. Batman won't hurt anyone because Captain America is here. It looks like Stevie is way too into character. He's overdoing it. Keep calm, friend. It's just an egg. Did you like our superhero Easter eggs? Then write in the comments which superhero you would turn into an Easter decoration. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so that you don't miss new superhero ideas on Trom Trom.